Let's talk about the kinds of angiosperms or the angiosperm lineages. Most flowering plants belong to one of three lineages: the magnoliids, the eudicots, and the monocots. Magnoliids include avocados and magnolias. This is the magnolia. We will mainly focus on monocots and eudicots. Monocots and eudicots derive their names from the number of seed leaves. When the seed is germinating, there is an embryonic leaf that show up. So the number of these leaves determine if the plant is monocot or eudicot. Another name for the seed leaves is cotyledons. If you look at the seed in the figure here, you can see the cotyledon. This part is the cotyledon, which is going to become the seed leaf. So monocots have one seed leaf or one cotyledon. They include the palms, the lilies, the orchids, the irises, the grasses, and many grains that we eat. What is known about monocots mainly that they do not produce true wood. Whereas eudicots, they have two seed leaves. They have two cotyledons. They include tomatoes, cabbages, poppies, roses, cacti, and all fruit trees. Every tree that has fruit, the ones you eat, for example, apples and oranges, all these ones are going to be mainly eudicots. Some of the eudicots are woody, but you're going to never find a woody monocot. Monocots and dicots, they have lots of differences, but you guys are not responsible for, but you can find it, for example, in the arrangement of vascular tissue. Like the way the xylem and phloem is arranged is different in monocots and dicots. And also the number of petals is different between monocots and dicots. The leaf structures, there are many differences, but we're not going to go through them, and that's for 21.6.